Welcome to TED Circles, making the circles bigger and bigger, creating the ripples stronger and stronger. Every month, it's always a little more of the pleasure as I join with our community members to share thoughts on TED Circle events. This time, it's even more as we all will be in a state of enlightenment as we reflect. When we look back to reflect, it enlightens our way ahead. We learn, we move on with a wiser version of ourselves. As we come close to the year 2021, we look back only to gather our learnings and becoming more aware of what to do, what not to do in the coming days, what to prioritize, what to delegate, what to ponder upon, and what to let go. And as I look back to reflect on my own journey, I was just wondering how and what to share with my friends here today. Then just like flashlights, few faces came in front of my eyes. These are the faces of, today I can name them my extended family, people whom I can confidently call my friends. So here comes my reflection of what I have earned through my life's journey. How I have earned friendship with people who were once strangers to me. And this helped me either ways. My intention to be associated with good people, my thirst to learn something new from each and every individual I meet. I believe the law of attraction has always worked wonders, as I am blessed to meet wonderful people like each one of you, and hence the learning where to focus my investment on the coming year. I'm going to continue investing my time, my energy, and my resources in people, in building relationships. Relationships, bonds that are valuable than any monetary bonds that is available in the market. So, my dear friends, my mantra for the year to come will be never ever give up on people. They can be your friends, relatives, or anyone. If there is any one single string attaching you with anyone, try to support them and be a light of their hope.
Believe me, it is the best decision that I have taken in my life. You know, I was a little low because I received a lot of negative feedback from a lot of people that being qualified, being a teacher, you've taught in IB school, you've got so much experience, and then all of a sudden you're just taking break and becoming this ghar ki housewife and a mother. With all due respect, that's the most difficult job. And so I did get this lot of negative feedback, but with the help of my dad, my husband, and my mom, with whom I'm in touch with, I shut many mouths. I am not only a stay-at-home mother now, but I'm also a budding entrepreneur. As you rightly know, I am into art and I create artistic home decor products. One thing I learned throughout this journey is, not to get affected by people's opinion, because you know yourself better than anyone else, and do not look for motivation outside. Everyone wants you to succeed, but nobody wants you to be like extremely better than them. So, seek motivation within yourself.
Learn to say no to certain things. Learn to be kind to yourself. You're not a superwoman or superman or whatever. So that's what I did learn this year, is to stop being able to do everything, and stop telling people that yes, I'll manage this and I'll manage that and I'll squeeze out this time and I'll do this. So when that happened, there were a lot of things that of course didn't come my way, but then that was also okay, because that meant that there wasn't enough time for it. So love yourself, and then you will get that kind of you need to pamper yourself, because you can't be pampered by everyone all the time.
I started reflecting that, let me think what is my child's thought process. Let me reflect on my thinking, and then let me reflect on my child's thinking.
A lot of things have changed in my life, and a lot of things have come up, a lot of things have been lost. So things are there which I feel that has made me more patient, as Sarvari always says that being a mom you become more patient. So I have learned that I never knew that I can be this patient. I was a very restless, jolly, patapat, tap tap type girl, and now suddenly it's like, go slow, baby. Now you have a baby. So that kind of thing, I have realized that I have got more power these days. I am more patient. Sometimes I feel very stressed in a day, but I still take it beautifully. So that is one thing I feel that as a personal adorning, I will say I'm more patient. I am more calm.
So I was just sitting today and I was just thinking about like what I have done, and I am so happy. I have done so many things in this COVID, and where everybody was just playing the blame game and like what happened and how we are going to grow. And I'm really so happy that I have come so far. A person who was so poor in public speaking, and a person now who can speak in front of 100 students, and on that also on the stage. And I'm so happy for that. So now my reflection for the I think like I have surrendered myself. I have surrendered, and this feeling of surrendering myself is so good. Like first before that, I just used to think I want this, I want that. Now I just give it to the universe. Now the ball is in your court. Now you decide what is best for me. And I know when a mother is holding a child's hand, she will never leave. But a child, if holding a parent's mother or father's hand, may leave his mother's or father's hand. But universe is like my father. He will never, and he has guided me. And surrender, this is my first reflection. And then I have also every time in a day, I don't know how many times I remind myself, when I have put my some alarms also, and I just say to myself at that particular moment, I'm so happy and satisfied.
3 things that I learned from my life was, everybody sees a lot of buzz in my life, a lot of movement in my life, but that requires a lot of dedication of how much time, what, where, and how I spend. Another important thing was I focused on 3 P's, which was very strange because Rena's life was like a roller coaster, flying fast. Suddenly, there was a little shift of 2 things. One, wanting to know what are you and who are you. So it became too much deep because I started understanding myself with the help of a Bhagavad Gita of why me, okay, and why me and why is it happening to me. So one shift that happened is, Rena, you have to put a break and you have to pause. That was the first P. So now I don't do so much, I do limited, but I do quality, whether it is personal or professional. And if you would believe me, it still works out because I focus on opportunities and not on the obstacles that are coming through. And it's created wonders because my only purpose was that I have to be a successful person in life, which means that I have to be successful in personal, professional, relationships and everything. But today, sometimes when I'm not doing something also, I found things just happening.
I never thought like when I'll grow up, I'll become a teacher. I never thought. But that counseling, teaching, and I really wanted to go in a very glamorous world. I always wanted to become, something, but still, so I got this beautiful key. All beautiful people are not actors; they are teachers also. So this I got from a student. Though it was copied and paste, but I got it, and I loved what I do now, especially counseling. That is my passion now.
That okay, we were together all this while, and we are still together, and we are like literally soul sisters, and I do miss her.
When I was in junior KG, I still remember I had told my friend कि मैं तो बड़ी होंगी तो fairy बनूंगी, ठीक है? And I had bob cut. So I was not like this. I was a real matlab bob cut and a boyish look kind of a person. So even during the Christmas festivities, I think I always wanted to be a fairy with a wand, but they used to always make me three kings or Joseph, or make me stand in the chorus because I had a very good voice. So when I used to tell her, नहीं मुझे तो fairy बनना है, fairy के अलावा कुछ नहीं बनना है, तो she used to say, चल हट, तू fairy कहाँ से बनेगी? So today when I reflect back, a lot of people when come back and they tell me like, you did really good, and you know I feel really blessed when I talk to you, and आपने इन लोगों को मिला दिया, उन लोगों को मिला दिया, इनके लिए ये किया, उनके लिए ये किया. तो मैं वही सोचती हूँ कि सच्ची वाली फेरी तो नहीं बनी, लेकिन बॉन्ड वाली फेरी बन गई सबकी लाइफ में. So again, that's a reflection of how I think about myself in somebody else's life.